Kinders, are you ready? We're going to be writing in our journal. So you need your journal and you're going to need your Flair pen. Now I know you don't have that many pages left. Let's turn, I'm going to use the back of a page because Mrs. Cito really doesn't have any more pages. You're getting a new journal next Monday at the pickup day. So we're just going to find out the back of the page. Now, if you're looking, you still have some pages left. You can keep going with the pages that you have left, but I don't. So I'm going to use the back of this page. This is our, it's the back of the bug page, the A. A is for ant page. That's the one I'm using. All right, let's start with today's date. Today is November. Let me see, I'm going to move it all the way to the top there. November, let's see, 12th, November 12th. So do you remember the number that represents November? It's an 11. 11 is the number that represents November. So 11 dash November 12th. The date is the 12th. So the date always comes second. November 12th, 2020. 2020. Now this week, boys and girls, we have 3 letters. So we're going to do all 3 letters. So we're going to start with a capital X here, and then a lowercase x. And then I'm going to do a hand space, and in the middle of my page, I'm just going to try to eyeball where the middle is. I'm going to do a capital Z and a lowercase z. Then another hand space. I'm going to do a capital J and a lowercase j. So those are the 3 letters that we are learning this week. So for X, there's not a lot of things that start with the letter X. X-ray was probably the only one. So we're going to pick a picture that has X at the end of the word, just like they did in our Backpack Bag workbook. So what we're going to choose is the number 6. X. Can you help me stretch it out? X. 6. And then here is the X at the end of the word. And that's probably the easiest picture we're going to ever draw. Just the number 6. So I'm going to draw the number 6 nice and big right over here. The number 6. So for Z, we're going to do zigzag, which is actually 2 words together. So first we're going to write z-ig, 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 Z-I-G. Then we do a dash, just like the dash that we do in the date. And write zag, z-ag, z-ag. Do the z-ag. Were these the sounds that you heard? Good job. Zigzag. So zigzag is really easy too. So I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to draw a line this way. And then I'm going to draw a line this way like I'm trying to make a triangle, but I'm not. I'm going to do another one. Zig. And another one. So this is a zigzag line. So we have 6 and zigzag. For J, what can we draw that starts with the letter J? They did jet. Oh my gosh, Mrs. Cito's so bad at drawing a jet. But you know what? I'm going to try. Let's try doing a jet. I'm sure your jet will look so much better than my jet. Ready? J, at, j, at. Do you hear the j in the beginning? What was the middle sound you heard? J, eh. What letter says eh? That's right, it's the E. Jet, t. I heard a t at the end. So for my jet, I'm going to try. You can try with me. We're going to draw the jet right here. So I'm going to draw a line that goes up like that. So the jet's going to be flying that way. And then right here at the end, I'm going to draw the like 2 lines like that. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes not halfway, but maybe close to halfway, like about right there. And then this is the exhaust. That's the fire and the hot air that's coming out at the end. We're going to do one of the wings of the jet. So the jet wing is going to go like this, like a diagonal line. And then I'm going to do another line that kind of goes up, like it's not straight, it's a little bit up. And then I'm going to do another line that goes like that. So that's the wing for the jet. Now I'm going to do the front part of my jet. Right under here, I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to draw a curve. So that's the front part, the nose of my jet. I think they call it the nose of the jet. And then right here, I'm going to draw the window for where the pilot would sit. And so I just draw a curved line, and then another line down like that. And then I'm going to draw the seat area. So for the seat area, right where this line is that I drew, I'm going to go up a little bit, like in the almost at the middle or upper middle. I'm going to draw, it goes all the way down almost to the this part. So this is the seat of the jet. And then I'm going to draw another line that goes to the back of the jet. And then we're going to draw the, I'm not even sure what these things are called. I'm going to draw a diagonal line. I think they help the jet turn. That's what these are for. They look like that. I'm going to draw two of them. So one's in the front and one is in the back. So to do the one in the front, I'm going to draw the line like right there. I'm going to draw another line down and another line down like that. And then my jet, I'm going to put a star on my jet. What do you think? Kind of looks like a jet? Well, I think if we color it, it may look more like a jet. So I don't know what color jets are, but Mrs. Cito is going to draw. Well, first of all, I'm going to trace this red because it's so hot. Maybe orange. And some yellow. Make it look like fire because my jet goes super fast. I think I'm gonna make my jet pink. Have you ever seen a pink jet? I haven't, but who knows? There may be a pink jet out there. Can't wait to see your jet. Does it look more like a jet? It's my first time drawing a jet, so I think it's not bad for the first time that I'm drawing a jet. And so we're going to do our sentence. That's the last thing that we're going to do. And it's going to be with, remember, we always start our sentence right here on the left side. So you have to pretend there's an imaginary star there. And we're going to write U. Do you know how to spell U? Capital Y. You always start a sentence with a capital U. 2-finger space. Want. Want was our sight word a few weeks ago. You want the. The has the digraph TH in it. That's always sticking their tongue out at each other. The jet. 2-finger space. Jet. And it's not a sentence unless it ends in a period. Great job, Kinders. I'm so excited to see your 6 zigzag and jet during Flipgrid Friday. Bye, Kinders.